If you're a beginner and you want to learn from scratch how to freestyle, or if you feel overwhelmed and you feel lost in the middle of your journey, this is the right place for you. I'm gonna give you 4 tips that these 4 tips can help you to find your way. Tip number 1, find your why. Why you want to learn this type of art, why you want to go to that process. It is really helpful and critical to answer the question that why you want to start something, because knowing why you want to do something can be a strong motivator that can indicate your progress, and it builds consistency. Consistency is a key to make progress and growth. How you can do that and how you can find your why? It is pretty simple. Just grab a paper, write down why you want to do it. Maybe you have 1 reason, or maybe you have 20 reasons. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is why you want to do something. The reason why people want to dance is totally different. Someone wants to communicate with others, or someone wants to be a teacher, make money, or just be a professional freestyle dancer to grow their personality. In this stage, you have to dig deeper and find your favorite style. In terms of freestyle, if you want to be a professional dancer in freestyle, you need to choose which style you prefer. How you can find your style? Simply try them. Trying different styles, learning basics and foundations, and connecting with their music can help you to understand which style do you prefer to train like a pro. So listen to its music, try basic steps and foundations, and watch dance battles and performances. And the most important part, try to explore its foundation, its history and culture. Tip number 2, find your sources. Find your mentors, teachers, and people who can help you to find your way, and people who inspire you, because they can give you feedback and they can help you for making progress, make you aware of your weaknesses and strengths. After that, you can build a community, and you can be in a community full of dancers in your way that have the same purpose as you have, and being in this community can help you to grow faster and deeper. One point that you need to pay attention is that make sure you don't overconsume materials. You don't go to every dance class you see and you try different styles. If you do that for a long period, you cannot make progress in one of them. You can just make progress in the surface, not in the deep level. Take your steps one by one with your full attention. The more you're exposed to different information, the less you can use them in your journey. Tip number 3, be an explorer. Start exploring from foundations, grooves, and basic steps. Explore each foundation and take time to make them your second nature. You don't need to learn everything, every basic steps. You just need to learn what you love and then explore them as long as you can. How you can explore them? You can try mixing everything you learn with dance elements. And if you don't know what are dance elements, you can check out the video. I put the link here. The last but not least factor and tip that can help you as a beginner or as a person who feels lost is patience is the key. Make sure you practice in 2 modes. The first mode is a free mode. You can be free, try everything in your dance journey, try everything with every music that you want in this mode. Try to express your feelings, try to let them come out of your soul and show your character, your personality. Don't be afraid of anything while you're practicing in free mode, and then you can try deliberate practice. Deliberated practice is the one that you have structures on your mind, you have a specific purpose of your practice, and you want to achieve a specific goal. For example, you want to work on bounce, up bounce and down bounce in different rhythms. So you write down this purpose and try it on, work on it as long as you can and explore it. Be patient, because if you hurry and rush in your process, you cannot enjoy your process, and you overthink, you judge yourself, you cannot focus deeply, so you don't want to do that. The more you pay attention and focus, the more you achieve and feel satisfied of your journey. Always think about process, not product. At the end of this video, I will show you a roadmap for anyone who wants to start freestyle and hip-hop freestyle or house freestyle. And with this roadmap, I can tell you that you can see your way clearer than before. Stage number 1 is knowing the music, culture, and history. When you choose your style, make sure you're aware of its music, culture, and history. The second stage is learning foundations and basic steps, because they are like alphabets of a language. Try to express your grooves and have flow. Focus deeply on the music and your connection. The third stage is exploring different techniques and concepts, tools that are beneficial for making your dance more attractive. And the last stage is finding your own style and have your own flavor. It needs making scenarios, proving your storytelling techniques, and expressing your character and personality in your dance. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you find it useful, and if you want anything, or if you want to talk more about your process, I will be there for you. Thank you. Bye bye.